Hi! So, pakita ko lang sa inyo ang aming 2-bedroom corner unit. So, ito ang aming actual showroom. So, yan. So, ganito ang mismong CR. Pag naka-interior. So, ito naman ang laundry room. Lahat ng unit may laundry room. So, pwede mong ganito gayahin yung pagkagawa. And this one is the second bedroom. And this one is a living area. And this one is the master bedroom. So, imagine mo na lang na wall yun, tas merong window type na AC, aircon. And this one is the walk-in closet. Sa mga interested mag-invest ng 2-bedroom corner unit,